So we've got some MX5 fun at Laguna Seca.
Green, green, green.
We're mid-pack. It was all quite tight, so should be a good race, hopefully. So I can see this car coming up behind. Just need to spot our braking point, not try and take too much. I think we're going to have to be cautious here.
Clear, left side.
Yeah, somebody, that green car just went a bit too fast. 3 wide, 2 wide. Oh dear, I think I'm dropping all the way to the back here. Have I got anyone on my inside? I don't think so. I think I'm okay. Obviously cold tyres. This is the basic setup as well, so it's not the best handling Mazda. But we're still going, which is important. Let's see if we can keep with the pack at least. I think the leader's getting away already, isn't he? Blimey. Look at that. I was less than a second off pole. I think I've got more time to find. I haven't done a lot of practice. Obviously, I've been around here before in the Mazda. I think I could probably find some more time. Lost a little bit coming up here, haven't we? There's nowhere we can go, really, though. Oh, what happened there, then? Did I hit my tyre on the glass?
You got a penalty for cutting.
Okay, yeah, not quite sure what happened there. Just suddenly it went under braking, so not sure. Anyway, we're still going. So let's see what we can do.
Car right.
Defend the inside here.
Clear.
And get out with the slipstream. Well, we 7th. I think we started 6th, didn't we? So yeah, that was odd. I must have been on the grass. It didn't feel like I was, but must have been.
51.
Lucky not to hit anyone.
2.
So maybe that's our luck for the race.
10 minutes to go.
This guy seems a bit wayward, doesn't he, through that? Definitely losing out here. Following this guy, I think. Nice to get by if we could. We've got this blue car behind who's pushing as well. Yeah, okay. Yeah, need to be in the 38s, maybe even 37s if we can get there. Whether we will or not, I don't know. That blue car's got a quicker line through there than us, blimey. Look at that. Right, let's make sure we don't. Felt a bit loose again through there. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, it looks like this guy sort of pulled himself together anyway in front, so maybe we can follow him. I'll just get back into my rhythm as well. If I can. Not doing a very good job here. All over the place. Yeah, we're going slow as well, aren't we? Blimey. 38, so yeah, 37s really.
852.
Okay, got a bit of space around us now, so maybe.
Car on your left.
Hey.
Clear on the left.
We really had to narrow our line there, didn't we? Blimey. Yeah, this is a bit of a dogfight at the moment. Bit of a dog's breakfast at the moment. We're not getting through here very well at all. And certainly not up this hill. He's a lot quicker than we were. Yeah, a lot quicker. Nowhere to go though, is there, for him? I guess I'll just park it on the apex. That's all I can do. I need to get my act together. So I'm really struggling here. Bit better there, and he's got trouble behind, so that's helping me. So we're still 7th. A little bit quicker, but a long way off the pole guy, or the people at the front anyway.
Your fastest lap of the session.
That's better. That's better. Back on him now. Just need to sort of calm down. It's the first race of the day. I think I'm a bit, I don't know, rusty or not sure what I am, but I'm not on it. I think I'm watching them rather than watching the track. Lost a lot of time through there. Anyway. Gained some time that place. Yeah, I think I've been watching the other cars rather than the track, which has not helped. So have I got enough to get up the inside? Someone's had a spin behind by the looks of it.
38.303. You've just set your fastest lap of the session. Right side, 5 minutes to go.
Okay.
You're on the right.
Well, this battling's going to slow us down, isn't it? And bring us back into the clutch of that blue car. I need to get past this guy, really. Number 5, if I can. I won't do like that, though. Blimey.
Left side.
No.
Clear.
And so I didn't think he would, because it's not a... So he's a lot quicker up here, isn't he? A lot quicker up here.
Keep to the left. Keep to the left. Clear.
I'm going to let him go, otherwise we'd have had a crash there, I think. So let's see what he can do about this guy. Maybe I can follow him through. Or pick up any pieces if there's a problem. Yeah, I think there was no point fighting at the waterfall. I think I'd already lost that. So we go from fighting for a place to losing a place, all in a lap.
The car in P3.
Come on.
The fastest lap. 37.037. 39.835.
Hey, he's going wide, that guy, isn't he? Don't want to let him get away. So I don't know what this guy's doing up here. Is he not braking? Is he... Just seems so much quicker than us up here. Although we were a bit better that time. It's so easy to watch the car in front rather than watch where you're driving, which is what I was doing, I think.
The leader is running 38.12.
Okay, well if he gets up the inside, I might be able to follow him through.
The fastest lap. 36.
36s they're doing, blimey.
38.613.
Doing what I did.
Car ride, clear.
I'm frozen.
He's frozen, oh no.
On off.
Oh, that's a shame. That's a shame, we were having a good race there. Okay. So, got to get past Leonardo now. Still 7th. Haven't made any progress. Blimey. I had been trying that in 3rd earlier in the day, and or earlier when I was practicing. So he doesn't brake, does he? So are we going to be able to put him under pressure? I guess is the question. Getting a bit more comfortable now.
Car on your left. Clear on the left. White flag, white flag.
Oh, why has he done that then?
The car in P3.
I wonder if he had a slowdown.
36.868.
Anyway, I'm taking it. Just got to keep ahead of him for a lap.
9.27.
Well, let's see if I can. Let's see if I can. He's pretty quick, isn't he? It's going to be up the hill, isn't it, into the waterfall. So let's just go in slow, come out fast if we can. Rather than try to rush into the corners and then have him get me on the exit. So he's definitely quicker up here, isn't he? There's nowhere for him to go through though. So good defensive driving for me, even if I do say so myself. And I think I've got enough. I don't think he'll get me up here. And he won't beat me on the drag to the line. I've got him. Okay, that's good. Well, started 6th, finished 6th, so no progress. But a good race, enjoyed that. A lot of fun, these Mazdas are good. I'm not a big fan of Laguna, but, you know, occasionally you have a good race.
Ticket flag.
And, yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that one.
Great job. You did really well.
Okay, then let's have a look at the incident, see what happened. So, decent start. Let's see what's happening behind. So, this was, yeah, so it's all a bit wide, wasn't it? So, 3 wides. He just banged into the back. Got a bit of damage, but nothing too major. Oh, okay. Well, that was not, that was, oh, how annoying. First lap of the race. Very annoying. And that's just going off what, oh, I don't know what happened there then. Looks like he's just, I don't know, lost it. So this was behind us, wasn't it? So, I wonder if it's going to show my incident where I went off. If not, we'll have a look for it. Okay, that's us ahead. Yeah, he just span. I saw that in my mirror. He just got it going. Nice little wheel spin. Oh, donuts. There you go. And he just, yeah, it just went off, didn't he? He said he'd lost connection. What a shame. Okay, nothing else. So let's have a quick look at that incident where I went off. So here's me then coming up to the waterfall, and yeah, I just got on the grass, on the dust, didn't I? And yeah, down. So lucky, very lucky there. Okay, let's have a look at the results. Okay, here's the results. I've just realised I've been calling the corkscrew the waterfall. I'm thinking the Saxon ring, where they got the waterfall. It's the corkscrew. Clearly, a bit of brain fade there. It's Sunday morning and I'm not fully up to speed. Anyway, split 2 out of, quite a few, 12. Managed to get a little bit of safety rating and a little bit of I rating. So not too bad. Fastest lap 36.8. We were never really there, were we? We were 38.3, so some way off. I don't think we had any incidents. I'm surprised I didn't get a bit more safety rating. So where's the incident points? Incidents. What did I have? 1. I think I had 1 in practice. I may have had an off track. So maybe that's why. But anyway, happy with that. Good fun. Enjoyed it. I hope you did too. If you did, then stick around. Hit that like, hit subscribe. And maybe I'll see you next time at the track.